Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Hanover, Jamaica, one of Jamaica's most wanted, has been taken out in Hanover by the authorities. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it is your favorite Jamaica. I'm Rastafari, so to hear Deeproots TV. If you have not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine Hanover. I love how the Jamaican police them are going because look on the screen. The Hanover police is saying that Jamaica is safer, if you know what I mean. Hanover most wanted has been fatally shot. It's being reported 33-year-old Remearo McCallum, otherwise called Macky, of Cold Spring District, Ramble in Hanover, was fatally shot during a confrontation with the police in Forest District in Hanover about 1:09 p.m. Middle day. A 9mm, they said the pistol with a magazine containing one 9mm round of ammunition was reportedly seized during the incident. It seems like him burn out all in carbine then and him keep one in the head just in case him never dead. The Inspector and Professional Standard Oversight Bureau, IPROB, is investigating, and the development will be reported. INDECOM also has gotten word and has informed of the incident and said that the police will be investigated to make sure all the laws and rules were followed. The statement labeled McCallum as having been the parish most wanted figure. Well, good job. Good job. Round of applause. Hanover is a little bit safer because Remearo McCallum gone to see his maker. Him see the police them and go on like him at the baddest thing in a Jamaica, and he wasn't even the baddest thing in a Ramble, Hanover. The police them just quang him and take one little 905 where have one bullet him. Labeled Malcolm as the parish most wanted. Well, right now, he's the parish head most slanted. That's what's supposed to happen to a criminal, make innocent women, children, and regular elders them scared to live in their beautiful island. Good riddance, Remearo McCallum, Hanover's most wanted, taken out by the great police of Jamaica. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV. Subscribe, like, and share. We no love criminal. We love peace. We love truths and rights from south, west to the east.
Pick up Deeproots TV. Respect. Make sure you tune in. Every time.